Hello friends, now we see the unit 3 bipolar junction transistor. Part first, NPN and PNP transistor. Bipolar junction transistor BJT is basically a silicon or germanium crystal having two PN junction formed by sandwiching either P-type or N-type semiconductor between a pair of opposite types. A BJT is normally called a transistor. It is capable of amplifying weak signals. Transistor can be classified in two groups. PNP transistor, when a thin layer of N-type semiconductor is placed between two P-type semiconductor, it is called PNP transistor. NPN transistor, when a thin layer of P-type semiconductor is placed between two N-type semiconductors, it is called NPN transistors. Construction of transistor. A NPN transistor is formed by sandwiching a P-type semiconductor between two N-type semiconductors. Similarly, the PNP transistor is formed in which in each type of transistor there are two PN junctions. There are three terminals taken from each type of semiconductor. The middle region is very thick, thin layer. This is most important factor in the function of transistor. So the middle layer, it is known as base, left side it is known as emitter, right side it is known as collector. So this is PNP transistor. In case of NPN transistor, base is P, emitter is N and collector is N, and this is a symbolical representation of transistor. In PNP, the transistors phase are each other, and in case of NPN transistor, their phases are opposite to each other. In transistor, there are three separate regions. The middle region is called base, on the outer region is called emitter, and the other is called the collector. Although the two outer regions are of same type, their function cannot be interchanged. But two regions have different physical and electrical properties. In most transistors, the collector region is made physically larger than the emitter region. It is required to dissipate more heat. The base is lightly doped and it is very thin. The emitter is heavily doped. The doping of the collector is between the heavy doping of emitter and light doping of the base. The function of the emitter is to emit or inject electron in case of NPN transistor, hole in case of PNP transistor it is base. The base passes out of the transistor injected charge carrier to the collector. The collector has jobs to collecting these charge carriers from the base. Transistor has two PN junctions. One junction is between the emitter and base and is called emitter base junction or simply the emitter junction J. The other junction between the base and the collector and is called collector base junction or simply the collector junction JC. So this is one junction and this is one another junction. So this is JE and this is JE. The junction between emitter and base is known as JE and the junction between the collector and the base is known as JC. Similarly, it is observed here also. Thus, a transistor is like a PN junction diode connected back to back. The transistor has three terminals, namely emitter, base and collector. In the symbol of transistor, the horizontal line represents base while the two angular lines represent the emitter and collector. An arrowhead placed on the regular lines represent the emitter. The arrowhead on the emitter lead indicate the direction of conventional current in a transistor. In case of PNP transistor, the conventional current will flow from emitter to base, so the direction of arrowhead is inward. In case of NPN transistor, the conventional current will flow from base to emitter, so the direction of the arrowhead is outer. Arrowhead of the PNP and NPN transistor are opposite to each other.